In this short tutorial, I will explain how to buy shares of OGE Energy Corp, ticker OGE, step by step. OGE is an electric utility listed on NASDAQ, and this is an educational guide, not financial advice. To buy OGE, you need a brokerage account, and we will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker OGE to find the company listing. Make sure you select the OGE Energy Corp stock listed on NASDAQ. On the asset page, you will see basic company information and a price chart showing recent movements. Double-check the name and ticker to confirm this is the correct OGE share. Tap Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, review the order details, and confirm to place the trade. If the market is closed, your order may be queued according to the order type, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. After execution, your OGE position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. Find the eToro link in the description if you want to open an account. This is a soft reference and not a recommendation.